Hey now, Michael Remus here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm here to review the Amazon Basics Thermal Laminator. My wife and I have been looking for a laminator for some time, looking to just keep those important documents in pristine condition. While looking at laminators, this one stood out to me because of its compact size, affordable price, and of course the Amazon Basics brand. The laminator itself costs $31.50 on Amazon.ca. It comes with the laminator, but only two laminating sheets. I had to buy an additional 100 sheets, also Amazon Basics brand, and that cost $17.50. In total, the laminator and 100 sheets cost $49. Let's see how it works. I'm going to turn it on and it takes about 4 to 5 minutes to heat up. You can choose the thickness of the sheets, 3 mil or 5 mil. The sheets I have are 3 mil. Now the laminator has heated up and the green light is on. We have a very important document we're going to be feeding in. We place the document in the sheet and put the closed side into the slot. The laminator will then grab the sheet and bring it through. As you can see, the sheet is going through the laminator and will take about a minute to fully laminate. The machine does get hot, so please be careful when touching it. And if it does get jammed, there is a jam lever in the back. I have laminated a number of documents and important items, and I am extremely happy with this product. As I mentioned earlier, it costs $31.50 for the laminator, $17.50 for 100 laminating sheets. All in, it costs $49. I am very satisfied and would definitely recommend the Amazon Basics Thermal Laminator. I love going on Amazon and checking out any basics items as they are usually solid quality. Ta-da! The document has laminated and it will be protected against any spills or damage. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. If I helped you at all make a decision about your laminator, please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel.